Sunflowers are like nature's happy faces, right? Did you know they can grow up to 12 feet, 3.6 meters tall? That's taller than most of us. They're not just pretty. They actually turn to follow the sun while they are young, a phenomenon called heliotropism. How cool is that? A sunflower isn't just one flower either. The large flower head is made up of hundreds or even thousands of tiny flowers, all packed closely together. The outer yellow petals attract insects, while the tiny flowers in the center produce seeds. Sunflowers love bright sunshine and grow best in warm weather with plenty of water. Their strong roots help them absorb nutrients from the soil, and their thick stems keep the giant flower standing tall even on windy days. Let's talk about their seeds. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a delicious and nutritious snack. Sunflower seeds can also be used to make sunflower oil, which is popular for cooking around the world. Sunflowers are also amazing for wildlife. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators visit their flowers to collect nectar and pollen, while birds such as finches love eating the ripe seeds. This helps support healthy ecosystems and biodiversity. People have been growing sunflowers for thousands of years. They were first cultivated by Native Americans, who used them for food, medicine, dyes,
Sunflowers
and even
were
making
first
flour.
cultivated by native.
One of the most fascinating things about sunflowers is that they usually face east once they mature. This helps warm the flower early in the morning, making it more attractive to pollinating insects. Whether growing in a garden, a field, or beside a fence, sunflowers bring beauty, food, and happiness wherever they bloom. Their bright golden petals remind us to stay positive, grow strong, and always look toward the light. So the next time you see a sunflower, remember, it's not just a flower, it's a remarkable plant that supports people, animals, and nature every single day.